Alright, what is going on? So I'm going over how to solve this problem live. So you have the Scrum Journeyman. So you just give me a list of list intervals where each list contains start, end, and a list of strings. So I could read through this, but I already know an idea for this problem. I've already submitted it, but I'm doing a different solution. So I'm going to attempt this by doing it a different way than I had originally done it. But basically you're given these intervals and you want to print out from each interval how many stuff are you working on. So like from 0 to 3 you're working on a Hacker News and a Scrum meeting. 0 to 3. Yeah, so all I need to keep track of is when stuff starts and when stuff ends. So create an empty list for this. And for starts and ends intervals, a pen, the start and increment 1. If something starts, you want to add 1. If something ends, you want to subtract 1. You want to sort this according to the first element in the tuple. Okay, we want to return something. We want to return okay. So we want to return res. For t and we'll have if it increments or decrements, and change, so time and change, and es. If the time is equal, yeah, so if 2 times are equal, you don't want to append a second time. So like look here, you start something 1 and 2, 2, 3. At 3, 2 to 3, you want to add, and then you want to decrement. So from 2 to 3, we know we're doing something. We're doing 2 things. From 3 to 4, we're also doing 2 things because we stopped doing something, but we also started doing something else. So we're going to do if we need to keep track of the last thing we were doing. So the last thing, and we'll initialize it to -1. If I guess it's last time. If last time equals, oh no, it can't equal to the current time. Yeah, so like for instance, when we start at 1, for instance, we're given this example here. So what we're going to get is we're going to get es equals 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, -1, 3, 1, 4, -1, 4, 1. So we look at the 1, 1, and we say we need to add 1, 1 with our activities. Yeah, so the last time we're going to initialize it to be equal to this time. So I want the 0th element in ES, and I want the first element in the tuple. Update last time. Update activity according to the change. Okay, so when we do this, when we pop out the first element, which is a 1, 1 here, so yeah, so it's this one, right? So we pop out this 1, 1. We're going to be left with the 2, 1. But when we do that, we're not going to add, we're going to say last time. So our last time will be equal to 1, and then we'll increment this by 1. Then we'll go to 2. We'll say 2 is different than our last time, so we're going to add it to it with the activity, which is 1. So then we set last time to 2, and we increment to 2. Then we go to the next time, which is 3, and it says 3 is different, so we're going to add 2, 3, and then 2. And then last time will now become 3. Activities will become 1. Next time, time is 3, but last time is 3, so they're equal, so it won't do this. It'll update last time to 3, it'll increment the activities to 2. Then it goes to 4, it's different, so it'll append 3 to 4 and 2. And then it will finish it because it will go through. One problem that we have is, I just remembered, what if we have 0 activities? We don't want to yeah, so you make sure this doesn't equal 0. Okay, submit. I filled this case, the empty case, I filled it. So let's figure out if we can pass this. This index out of range. Okay. Can I do one of these examples? Right, so this works. Because activity is equal to 0 at the beginning, it won't append at the beginning. Submit this. That's a very fast code, I guess.